I now want you to go to page 32 in your book, the same as the page on the whiteboard, and you're going to find words and draw a circle around each new word with a different color. These are the same words as the sight words you have learnt. I want you to stop the video when you go to page 32 and find all the words. When you have found them, you can start the video again. Let's see if you have found all the words. This is my page. I have found my words. End of classroom 4. Well done. Give yourself a hug. In classroom 5, we will be learning new sounds called consonant blends. This is when we add two consonants together like the S and the T to make a new sound, st. Now go to classroom 5.